Welcome to Factful Finance. Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 Americans have medical debt on their credit reports? That means millions of people could be paying higher interest rates, getting denied loans, or even facing difficulty securing housing, all because of medical bills. But what if I told you that starting in 2025, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, is making major changes that could help you say goodbye to that medical debt showing up on your credit report? Stay tuned as we dive into the details of this new rule and what it means for you. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only, so make sure to consult a financial professional for personalized advice tailored to your situation. Now let's break this down. The CFPB's new rule, set to take effect in 2025, aims to offer relief for individuals burdened with medical debt. Here's what's changing. 1. The removal of paid medical debt. One of the biggest updates is that any medical debt that you've already paid will no longer appear on your credit report. If you've settled a debt, that's it. It's gone from your report. This means you won't be penalized for something you've already dealt with, which could boost your credit score. 2. More time for medical bills to appear. Previously, medical debt could show up on your credit report just 180 days after being sent to collections. The new rule will delay that time frame to a full year. This gives you more time to work with healthcare providers, resolve disputes, or seek financial assistance before the debt affects your credit score. Number 3. Fewer debts reported in general. The rule also limits how much medical debt can be reported to credit bureaus in the first place. Essentially, this will lower the number of people with medical debt on their credit reports overall. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're like John, a 32-year-old who had a series of medical bills after an unexpected surgery. Despite having health insurance, the out-of-pocket costs were higher than he anticipated. John struggled to pay the bills, and like many, the debt went into collections. This dinged his credit, making it more difficult to get a car loan for the new job he just landed. But thanks to the new rule, after he paid the debt off, it'll no longer haunt his credit score. No more worrying about the impact of old medical debt on his ability to make big purchases or secure better interest rates on loans. Here's why this matters for you. Boosting your credit. If you've paid off medical debt, this new rule can give your credit score the boost it needs. That means better interest rates, easier access to credit, and more financial freedom. Time to resolve disputes. With the new timeline, you'll have more time to resolve any disputes with your healthcare provider. This can be especially helpful if you're dealing with billing errors or if the debt is under review by your insurer. Less stress. Knowing that paid debts will disappear from your credit report means less stress about your past financial burdens. Now, this is a significant step forward, but it's not the only way you can improve your financial situation. Even with this rule, it's important to stay proactive with your finances. Start by regularly checking your credit report to ensure everything is accurate. Use tools like credit score simulators to see how different actions might affect your score, and explore budgeting apps to track medical expenses better. To sum it up, this new CFPB rule is a game changer. It brings hope to those struggling with medical debt by removing some of its long-term effects on your credit score and financial health. So what's your next step? If medical debt has been a challenge for you, make sure to follow these new developments and take advantage of the changes coming in 2025. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. How do you think this will affect your financial journey? If you like this video and want to stay on top of all things finance, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss out on tips to take control of your financial future. We think you'll find the video shown next helpful in your journey toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching Factful Finance. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, keep making smart financial decisions.